Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fauziah Seftiany. You can call me Sarah. Welcome to my video media test. Okay, now I'm going to talk about simple present tense. Okay guys, I will talk about when we use simple present tense, and I will inform you about the positive form, negative form, and the interrogative form from present simple tense. Or simple present tense, sorry. Okay, so let's we start. We use simple present tense to express the idea that an action is repeated or habit. The action can be a hobby, a daily event, or something that often happens. For example, I drink tea every morning. Well, when I say I drink tea every morning, you know that I do the action regularly. So, you know that I drink tea on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and so on. So, you can see that it repeats. So, this is a habit. So you guys, if you want to tell about your habit or daily routine, you can use simple present tense. Got it? Alright, now let's talk about the next use of the present simple tense. The second use of the present simple is to talk about permanent situations. We also use the present simple when permanent situation. For example, my brother lives in Arizona. When I say that he lives in Arizona, is that a vacation? No. It means that my brother lives there permanently. Maybe he started living there at some point in the past, but it is home now. So, here we are talking about something that is not going to change. So we say that is permanent. Got it? So when you guys will talking about permanent situation, you can also use the simple present tense. So here we are talking about something that is not going to change. So we say that it is permanent. Got it? So you guys, if you will talk about situation or permanent situation, you can use simple present tense. Okay? Okay, let's now move on to the third use of the present simple tense, and that is talking about facts. Well, facts are truth. That is, there are statements about the world that are true. For example, the capital of Canada is Ottawa, while the boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, there are all true statements. Remember, when we spoke about permanent stations like my brother lives in Arizona, I said the stations are not going to change. But when you talk about fact, the only difference with this is that these are not personal situations. They talk about the world. Got it? These are all true statements. Remember, when we spoke about permanent situations, like my brother lives in Arizona, I said those situations are not going to change. But when we talk about faith, the only difference with this is that these are not personal situations. They talk about the world. Alright, let's now turn to the last topic in our lesson. That is talking about states using state verbs. I said that this use of the present simple tense is very important because this is an area where learners of English make a lot of mistakes. But what are states? Well, take this example. I want ice cream. Unfortunately, there isn't any ice cream in my studio. But the important point is that I cannot say I'm wanting ice cream. But why is that? Now, if you remember, I said I drink tea every morning. That's a habit. But if I had tea now, I could say I'm drinking tea because it is happening now. In the same way, I want ice cream now. It is not a habit. It is not a permanent situation. It is right now. But still I cannot say I'm wanting ice cream. Well, to understand why is that, you need to know the difference between activities and states. An activity is something that we do physically. It is an action. The verb drink is a real physical action. The verb want is not like that. We don't start and finish wanting, and you cannot do it continuously because it is not an action. So we say there is a state. And this is positive form. You can see about positive form, there is subject or I plus verb one, and the second is subject or he, she, it plus verb one, plus S or ES. And the third is subject or UV they plus verb 1. And there are examples from positive form. There are I go to cinema every weekend. James looks very young. They play basketball every Sunday. I speak Japanese. Okay, what about negative and interrogative form? To form the negative and interrogative, we need auxiliary verb to do in the present simple tense. This means we have to add es to third person singular he, she, it, while main verb will be used in the infinitive. This is for the negative form simple present tense. Number 1 is subject or I plus do not or done plus verb 1. And the second is subject or he, she, it plus does not or doesn't plus verb 1. And the third, subject or you, we, they plus do not or don't plus verb 1. Got it? Okay, we are going to the example from the negative form. Number 1, she doesn't have any money. And number 2, I don't speak French. Number 3, we don't quite understand what you are saying. We don't quite understand what you are saying. And number 4, she doesn't run faster than I do. Now, this is for the interrogative form. Number 1, do plus subject or I plus verb 1 and interrogative. And number 2, does plus subject or he, she, it plus verb 1 and interrogative. The third, do plus subject or you, we, they plus verb 1 and interrogative. The example from the interrogative form, they are: number 1, do you jog on Sundays? Number 2, where does she live? Number 3, does she enjoy talking with you? Number 4, does Alan have a driver's license? Okay guys, that's all about today. I hope you can understand what I'm talking about, and very sorry if there are many mistakes for my video and my explanation, of course. Don't forget to like and comment my video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.